Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the monthly dollar yen, it still looks to me like it is possibly a big A, B, and C correction. Now, looking at all the yen pairs, a lot of the yen pairs look like they have a long ways to go to the upside, so this very easily could just keep on drifting up and eventually take out that high, neglecting that this really is the end of an ABC correction. Now, if it is the end of an ABC, then it will turn at one of these fib levels, end up doing something like that, and continuing the downtrend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, it still looks like to me this is a series of lower lows, lower highs like a 1. It still looks like this should be an ABC and that it should turn at one of these fib levels, maybe end up doing something like this and end up continuing the downtrend for a wave 2. Now, like I said, it very easily could just keep on drifting up like that, and luckily I don't really care at all if it just keeps on drifting up because I'm going to be looking for longs on shorter time frames anyways. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can start to see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. You can see the A, B, C, which I think is a B, and then you can see the higher highs, higher lows for what I think could be a wave C. Now, like I said, if it turns into a wave 3 and just keeps on drifting up, that is definitely not going to hurt my feelings because I'm definitely still going to be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So if I'm incorrect about this being a wave C, it definitely is not going to matter to me. But if it does continue up like this and then make a big impulsive engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci level, that's exactly what I'm going to be looking for an entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Until I see this picture though, I'm just going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame right here is where you can see the higher low. As you can see, we are definitely trending up ever since we ended a correction way back here. We are at a Fibonacci level, so it probably is going to be an area of resistance, which hopefully we get another decent pullback because at the end of the next pullback, if I see three ways down, impulsive up, if I see a higher low, then I'm just going to continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you can start to see what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have no break of structure to the downside yet, but looking at the dollar index, it does look like we are getting ready to make a pullback, which is probably at least going to end up looking something like this for like an ABC, a three-way pattern. So if we do see this three-way pattern, then we see an impulsive move up, a break of structure to the upside. That's exactly what I want to see for an entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Just like what we've been looking for in the past. Three ways down, go long. Three ways down, go long. Three ways down, three ways down, three waves down. So I'm going to continue to look for that three-way pattern around the 1 hour, maybe 30-minute time frame for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.